Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a bank account on Revolut. First, open the Revolut app and go to the home screen. Next, tap Accounts in the center of your screen. Then tap Add New at the bottom, select Link on the right, and then tap Link Account. Now, you'll see a list of banks available in your country. Choose your bank. Revolut will redirect you to your bank's page to approve the connection securely. Once that's done, you'll be brought back to Revolut and your bank account will be linked successfully. And that's it. You've added your bank account to Revolut in just a few taps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.